Nama saya Mona. I jumpa Danny's professional hair stylist ni dekat Facebook. I dari Semenyih. So I nampak dia punya post and view looks like it's like very interesting and he did a very good job, professional job. So I'm coming for the first time. I want to try it out actually to cut my hair and also to color my hair. Let's see what happened after he done the cutting and the coloring. This is basically my look after Danny's haircut and coloring. So I think this is very much impressive. He did a very wonderful job. I would give him a 10 star actually. Danny, thank you so much for your hard work, and this is the result which I'm really amazing. It was damn wonderful. Danny, thanks a lot, Danny. You are the best.